Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on tucking my headlight harness, and the way I'm going to do it is somewhere by the battery tray right around here or underneath. I'm going to drill a hole and put that grommet in, and then I'm going to run the wires through that, and it's going to come up and it's going to go on the bottom side of the course support up here all the way around, and then somewhere in here I'm going to pop back out with another grommet, and then I'll go to the rest of the harness, and then I'll have all the top part tucked underneath of it, and you won't be able to see it, and it'll look a lot nicer. Alright, I just finished up doing the wiring, and if you look right there, you got this main harness right here that comes down, goes to these headlights, and then you can't see it and it disappears, which is what I wanted. And then it's actually in a grommet right under here, and then it comes up, goes over, you got your ground here, and then there's a horn wire that's up here too. And then it comes over underneath there, can't even see it, and then it comes out to that grommet there. And then that is all the wiring for this side of the headlights and blinkers and stuff. I think it looks pretty clean. You see one little wire right about there where it comes out of the grommet. But other than that, I'd say it looks pretty good.